guys, today we are going to learn how to make these paper fruits. See, let's get started. Start to supplies, markers. We can use colored markers, we can use crayons and plenty of colorful papers. Okay, for this the half cut peach we need light green and dark green, okay, and a little bit brown paper. First of all, we are going to draw the peach. Okay, we are going to make the outline. First layer, that is dark green. Okay, do not worry if your drawing is not good and if the shape is not accurate, it's okay. So with practice you can learn more. See, this is the outer layer or first layer of peach. Now I'm going to cut it. We're going to trace one more peach of light color. So we are going to make the outline, and then we are going to cut it a little bit smaller than the first layer. Okay, so I'm giving some space and drawing, giving a little bit, giving some little bit smaller. Okay, it's smaller than the dark green peach. Once it's done, so we are going to cut it. See, so this inner part we are going to cut. So you are going to place a light part on it. So we are going to stick it with the glue, and then we are going to draw the central part, and we are going to make some seeds. I'm going to draw a center line. Okay. So here I will draw. You can draw one small heart on. See, I will use marker to enhance the line. And here, one seed here and one seed here. Okay, then I will use this black marker. So I'm going to so the color of the seeds will be light brown. You can use brown marker to make the seeds. See? I will use light green and dark green to give the effect. Some black color. And I'm going to smudge the color. to smudge the crayons. Okay, now we are going to make the stem. For the stem we need brown paper. So this is brown sheet, so I am going to draw with the pencil. Okay. This is the stem, so I am going to cut it. Ready, so you are going to fix it from the back side. Hold it and stick it. See? Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.